After login, if you want to change your password, you can simply go there and click on password. This is same for all the users. Just simply go to a password, enter your old password, which is this, and enter a new password. Okay. And click on change. So your password will be changed. Okay. The same way you can, if you forgot your old password, you can send a email OTP to your email. Let's send. Okay, OTP sent to your registered email, and I have registered this email with my this account. So yeah, I got the email. This is the email, and this is the OTP. So come here, enter the OTP. If you enter wrong OTP, it will say invalid OTP. So enter the right OTP, submit it, and change the new password. Okay. If you the mismatch, it will say password and confirm password does not match. So you have to enter the same password. So your password will be changed. Okay. In this way, you can forget your password, and you can also change your password.